Hi everyone, I am doing the Emini future review for Tuesday on the 2nd of June 2026. So for yesterday, this is the price action, right? And today we are going to mark out where are the potential sell zone and buy zone. And the market opened around here in the middle. And as we learned from Rose that, okay, where's the sell zone and buy zone is we identify impulsive buy and impulsive sells. What's the criteria? 3 bar consecutive and 3 bar consecutive bear. So, and then 3 bar consecutive, and then we can identify there's a sell zone here, the bull bar before the impulsive sell, and the bear bar before the impulsive buy. So in a way, somewhat here, but you can also just look at the body here, right? Doesn't matter. Okay, and we identify the high, yesterday's range, yesterday low, and then this is a go high, glowback's high, and the go low. Okay, no, around here. Oh, the glowback's low is around the same price as the yesterday low. Okay, so this is the price action. So number one, the bar open gap down. You can see that bar one, it's a bull bar, although it's a doji with tail above and below after gap down. So what does it mean? It means that it kind of invalidates the gap down a little bit. So in a way, we can expect the trading price action for the next few bars going to be going to be a trading range. Okay, and most of the time that usually this is there's a moving average here, and the buy zone is here as well. So I would say that there's a huge attraction to come down and touch the moving average and the buy zone here. Okay, so in a way, bar two, it's an inside bar and then a bear bar. Bar three, okay, the inside bar, the bar three, it didn't gap down here, okay. So in a way, bar three is kind of a potential buy, and then we can aim for a Globex high or moving average over here. Although there's a sell zone over here as well. I didn't buy because I thought that maybe we might go down a little bit further before going up. However, nope, it went all the way up here. The mother bar is here, and then we haven't break through the bar number one. So in a way that we did not close the buy zone here. I think that is a sign of bull strength. Okay, stall a little bit at the top of the bar number one here, height of bar one, stall, okay, and bull wants it to be the pullback and go up, and the bear wants this to be the start of their at least a bear down to bar one low, because we can see that bar double top forming as well, bar one and bar five, and we'll see bar seven broke through bar high one high, and you can see there's a lot of buyer below bar four. Okay, so right now I'm gonna place a long entry, stop entry, and I got fill here, and it go through and reach the bar Globlex high on the bar number 9, and I was when I fill, my target was the close of yesterday, which was about 13 here. That was my target, right? And it didn't reach, almost reaching, but it didn't reach, and had the 11, and it's quite a significant bar. So I got scared. My stop loss was around here, and I was thinking, because I want a better trader equation, I shift stop loss here. I shifted to 7. Okay, and because of this bar 12 was very big. I was so scared I want to break even, and I shifted just to around here, so I break even here. But on the hindsight, I should have just stick to what's going on. I should just shift to bar 7, okay, because you can see after bar 12 it is a bear trap to trap the weak bull, and then the bear can actually scalp for what's the total scalp, about not even a 10 points, so at least a 5 to 8 points here. And then you can see there's a significant bar at bull bar at bar 13, and then reaching my original target is I want to get in again, right? And somehow I was in the right mindset. I moved my profit target to break even again, and right after my profit target break even, it shoot up again. So you can see that after the bear trap, you move up quite quickly as well. And you can see that we can count that this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is a wedge top. So that's why the pullback is quite significant. So in a way, 13 might be the new move number 1, and this is pullback. Okay, by now, although I did not lose money, but it was too bad decision, so I stopped trading. I was just looking at the price action. Okay, go further up, and it reaches the sell zone over here. Okay, and this is probably the small pullback, the second leg pullback, and likely buyer below, because there's a lot of gap moving on. There's a gap over here, and there's a gap over here as well. Okay, so it's a sign of bull, so likely it's going further up. The measure move for this trading range to going up from this place to this is here, right? So in a way that if you're long here, somewhere here, break up there, you can take profit around the sell zone here, or there's a moving average target here at 29, or yesterday's high, right? Or you can count number 3, bar 3. It's a good entry for bull, stop bull, and then about 20 points. Okay, so here is a target as well, or yeah, around here, right? So there's this level, the sell zone, moving average, and there are yesterday's high. Okay, keep going. Another, this is very, very climatic, and it reaches the moving, almost reaching the moving average. Take reach 21 and go up. Okay, so because here it's so close to the height of the trading range, right? Height of the trading range is very hard for bull to buy. Hence, they show the weakness. So in a way that for now, I think bulls are getting ready to either looking forward to touch the profit targets here, or ready to exit. And I do think that 24 is a good place to exit for the bull. Okay, and this is might swing down maybe to the moving average. Okay, so you see, let's count here: 1, 2, and 3. Complex 3. Yeah, 3 here. So likely we are entering the trading range from bar 24. Yep, down. Likely seller above. The bear wants to touch the moving average at least. Okay, and a bull wants to defend the moving average here. So you can see once touch the moving average, the bull enter to try, but because this is a very first leg of the bull, likely sellers above bar 30, 3rd and 28, and back here, and bull want to defend here. So now right now we are in trading range. Okay, 31 is an inside bar, but 37 wasn't a breakout, so nothing too crazy. So likely it's going to at least aim for probably around here. Bears want to close the gap here. Yeah, but bull want to leave the gap. And bull enter here. So the gap is still there. Okay, bull tried to break above to reach for double top, but nope, couldn't do it. And bears enter after 1, 2, 3, 4-ish, like try to push but couldn't. So you can see that there's a resistance over here. In a way, this is a sell zone as well. We can see impulsive 1, 2, 3, a very weak sell zone. So here is sell zone over here. Like bull want to break through this sell zone to reach here, but bear managed to keep the sell zone intact. And that hence after 3 bars, 4 bars, trap above the being protected by the sell zone, the bear sold again. Okay, this is a good follow through bar. Okay, in the way will it come down all the way? It's possible, so it is reasonable for us to short here. Okay, after the bear have been trying to get 3 legs, but you see 1, 2, 3. So it's a wedge bear, like a bull flag. So this might be the end of bull flag. So it's either go further down or remain as a trading range and go higher a little bit. You will not go much higher because of how long the bull flag. Okay, managed to pull, but I think bulls are defending. Okay, so here, do we manage to close the gap? Yep, so bear managed to close the gap, and then you can see from here, once you enter here, the bull enter into the market. And we are trying the range between this gap, this level and the moving average. Very tight trading range. Okay, so this is the very first bar that the bear managed to break below this level. And I think it's a reasonable sell. Okay, but maybe a scalp, 5 points to 10 points, given that this is quite close to the moving average, and bulls will want to keep the gap between the price and the moving average. Yeah, okay, bull enter. Yeah, bull wants to go back to the height, at least here, the sell zone here, and break through, but couldn't reach the double top here. So in a way that this is the price action for today. First trade, I enter here, and then I break even here. Okay, because I was eager to put my stop loss to break even after I got scared out of this 2 big bear bar. Okay, the second was after you break through here, and then I sell here within 1 bar. That was very silly. That was not disciplined. The first trade I could understand. I'm a weak bull. I got scared out of the trade. But the second trade was rubbish and not very disciplined. Okay, so I need to be more disciplined and have a system like when is it reasonable for me to get off the trade even before the price hit my stop loss. Yeah, so that is the price action for today. Okay, it's a good price action today actually. So trading range, breakout, and then there's a parabolic bull all the way, broke the sell zone, and then towards the major move up here. Although we didn't manage to reach the yesterday high, so in a way that there's lots of order here today. Yeah, thank you everyone.